Just be careful because it's probably gonna spill. Can you move that? Okay, so we got none of that. What's going on, everybody? Graydon here at Bavarianautoclinic, back again. We have this 2007 325. Sorry. Ooh, yeah, that's embarrassing. 328xi.
No, 2008.
2008. Wow, I got it wrong both times. Okay. 2008 328xi E91 that we're going to be doing a host of things today. We're going to be trying to do a new windshield cowl, a new passenger door regulator and actuator, and we're going to be doing some diagnostic on the check engine light. Apparently we have a evap code that we're going to be looking into. And what else are we doing, Ben? Yeah, windshield washer fluid pump. We're gonna be doing that as well. So we're gonna be doing a bunch of little things here to this nice E91. And yeah, stick around.
Might learn something.
Might learn something. Might improve your BMW knowledge. The doctor's back. Just doing a full vehicle scan right now. Oh hey, all your recalls have been completed. That's nice.
Yeah, I did check that.
Model year 2007. This motherfucker. There we go. Okay.
Got it.
There you go. Easy peasy. Yeah, so here. Come over here.
Hello.
Not you, him. So all you have to do to pop this window out, once obviously you get the door card off and you get this seal out, the butyl tape, all you literally do is there's just a tab that you need to push in with a flathead that's holding the window down in this little clip right here. So you push that tab so the window can move past the tab on both sides, and you pull up and that's it, window comes out. So now we're gonna take the rest of the regulator out. We'll probably just start with this rail and see if we can have enough room to take the door lock actuator out. We're gonna go from there. Because this side railing should move separately because it's only held together to the other side by the railings, or by the cables. There we go. Okay. That's out of the way. If we want to pull the actuator out now, there's the plug for it right there. Three T30 bolts, and this thing should come right out. There we go. But that's where the harness, part of the harness runs. Those are clips for the harness, but they were already, I think you already probably ripped it out when you tried to pull it out the first time, so.
Use some like electrical tape.
I mean, we can, but you have to. So no, we can't. New one doesn't rattle. New one going in, goes like that.
Should be as simple as that, and replugging the thing in and 3 bolts.
Okay, that should be good. We could put this back. Okay, want to put the window back in, or are you gonna clean it first?
Probably not. Do you have Windex?
Of course I have. Of course I have glass cleaner. What kind of shop doesn't have glass cleaner? Cool. There'll be a solid click when it goes back in.
Now we're good for the door card, right? You got all those in there a little bit, but everything else sealed up pretty well. There we go. You go there. Should snap in, and now how it opens. Cool. Lower, lower Upper. And the door handle works.
Yeah. Oh. Jesus. Yeah, it's just gonna be a bunch of 8mm and a couple 10s. And it's a 2-piece, so you can probably just take off this rear section.
That's all I need.
You'll need to undo that. 10s and 8s, that's all it is. Right now, we are going to replace the windshield washer pump for the front here. It sprays the headlights, but it does not spray through the washer. And those are two separate systems. So we're replacing the pump for that. So you have to pull off the rear section of the fender liner. Like I was saying, just a bunch of 8mm, 10mm, you know, nuts and bolts, nothing crazy. And we just did a door lock actuator on the passenger door. Did that super easy. All you have to do is remove the window, you know, take the door card and stuff off, remove the window, push the regulator, one of the rails, which the window slides on, to the side, and you can pull it in and out, slap the new one in. And then I just hooked up to ISTA real quick, scanned for codes, and made sure everything was looking good, cleared all the codes, and now we're moving on to this. So
Cool.
Separated now.
Well, that's
so,
great.
Did you take the 10 and the 3/8 that I just talked about off?
Yeah. Idiot.
What do you mean?
Bolt in it. Oh, a bolt.
Oh, sorry. Ugh. There we go. Yeah, you're gonna have to remove the tank, and it's full.
Oh, that's clogged. That's nice.
Clean your drains out, kids. Oh, no, you're gonna need to disconnect that. Just be careful, because it's probably gonna spill.
Am I? I mean, that's just the fill, so I guess that's gonna spray out that way.
Uh-huh. Can you move that? Thanks. Okay, so we got none of that.
I told you I was gonna shoot out the other way. We got? Thanks.
You're welcome. You're probably gonna have to pull the bottom out first, would be my expectation. This is not supposed to be in here. That's supposed to be up. It's just, I don't know what this is. I can look up the part number and see where it goes, but it's not supposed to hang out down here.
Yeah.
Magic. Oh, yeah, so there's an alignment tab that you just have to pop it out of. It was just stuck in the alignment tab. I would say you should hear a click, but as long as it's down as much as it can go.
Give her all she's got.
All right.
I see the tabs in the back.
Oh, here comes the water show. Ew. Gross.
And that's why you buy a new filter.
Change
kit.
your filters, kids. So the filter was clogged, which in turn caused no flow to the pump and probably burnt the pump out because, you know, it's lubricated by the fluid that flows through it. So
There you go.
Okay.
Good.
So, okay, you see this thing? That has to go into that hole right back there. You'll feel it click into place, too.
Okay.
That's easier.
Yeah, well. You're gonna have to slide that in. Yep. Slide that. That first, then that,
There you go.
then everything lines up. Then you have to slip this part on the inside of the fender like that. Boom, boom, boom. That piece goes in there, and then it overlaps over everything else. Yeah, slips on there. Like that. Whatever. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up today for this video. Just did some minor things. Did some quick diagnostic work for a check engine light. Turns out no issues there. And we did a passenger door lock actuator. Placed that. We did a windshield washer pump. And fixed an exhaust rattle. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's gonna be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Hit the bell, all that sort of thing. And we'll see you guys next Friday. That's it. Oh, okay.
I'm just better.
Well, fuck me then.
Silly me.
Silly goose. Don't you go telling me what to do now. Now, Scalpel.
Hey,
My next...
bro. Sick reference.
Alright, cool. I'll live with that.
You got a squirter. Cut that.
I know.
I said, if you're thinking about it, just let me know.
What do you mean?
Like, if you're thinking about...
Tomorrow?
Yeah. You can just think about it and let me...
Like, think about it out loud?
No.
Some plans? And
So you're
then-
gonna think about it.
Yeah, and I'm letting you know.
Do you see my ratchet? Not thinking out loud enough.
Well, I just thought about it and I said it.
And 3 times. Meow.